Hello everybody, welcome back to another JQ on the go video. So today we are going to be replacing the sun visor clip in my 2012 Audi A5. Here is the new clip. I just ordered this from Amazon, and as you can see, it's got the plastic cover on top and then the actual clip assembly underneath. This is the broken portion of the car. If you guys remember from my 10,000 mile update, I broke off the little clip here. So let's get into this. So I should first gonna get a pry tool. You want to get something plastic like this so you don't make any marks in the headliner. First want to try to take off this little cover here. Just kind of pry under it. It would be easier if I had two hands, but I want to try to see it snap it off here. Let's see if I can get it. So with a little bit of prying, I was able to pop this off right here. So I just pried right on the left and right side. And now this should just pull out. Yep, so as you can see, pulls right out. And then you got your two holes there where the new clip is gonna pop right into. So I could just push it up like this and then get it in. Let me now put this guy in. This probably took me, there we go. Before I say how long it took me, let me get it in. Okay. Boom. Okay. Now let me see if the sun visor. Ah, perfect. Now the sun visor clips in. Look at that. Perfect. As you can see, a bit of pressure there, but it's in. Yay! Now I have a sun visor clip again. So hopefully this video helped you out if you are interested in replacing your own sun visor clip. This was super simple, probably took me 5 minutes at most. I'm gonna make sure to link everything down below as I always do. And please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye, have a great day.